Edxeducation Jumbo Tweezers In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.7 stars based on 588 ratings and 22 reviews. 93% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 3% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said easy to use for little hands. I run a daycare and these are perfect for fine motor activities for the littles. Much easier to hold and pinch than other brands.
Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Poor design. The end of the tweezers flare out, making it difficult for preschoolers to pick up most items easily. The design of this product is terrible. That's it.
Jumbo tweezers come as a set of 12 pieces in 6 bright colors. They are 4.5 inches in length. They have been purposely designed for small hands and the improvement of fine motor skills. Children will enjoy using them to grip small objects and counters, and to transfer them from one place to another. They can also be used in scientific examination of natural or man-made objects, or when examining messy or wet things.